What it do, what it do, what it do, all my paper chasers for life squad, all my YouTubers, Facebookers, CDL holders. Yes, sir, you know who you are. You know you don't need no CDL to mess with G-DAWG, because if you rocking out with me, I'm definitely rocking out with you. We family for life. As long as you're doing it right and you're doing it tight. Ain't no doubt about it. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Over here at the West Wind yard over here, drop yard over here in Heber, California. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Man, making sure it's getting ready to get done. Hope y'all out there chasing that paper, catching that paper, putting that paper away for a rainy day. Yes, sir. Look at that blue sky out there. Look at that, man, up there. You know what's beyond that, right? The universe, baby. That's what we're reaching for over here at the Paper Chase Squad. No doubt. We always down to hustle. We always down to get that paper. We always down to put that paper away. You dig or feel me? And do what's right. No doubt. Out here getting it. Man, you don't usually see that. Usually, those seals will be gone. Somebody left them on here. Those things will usually be gone. But about to go down the road here and pick up my loaded trailer and get this load started and get it moving. Yes, sir, yes, sir. 667-920. It's right down there. I'll zoom in so y'all can see it. $667-920. Yes, sir. We about to pick that trailer up. About to pick that trailer up and take it over to Suwanee, Georgia. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thanks to the cool agent that I work for. She's a real good lady, and I don't mind working for her because the loads pay good. Just dropped this load off, this loaded trailer off out of Laredo. Yes, sir. And about to get on hers. So if y'all ready to do it, let's get off into it. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Let's go, all my wonderful people. I'm gonna pick my trailer up and then go across the street and park over there and call it a day over there and then get started with it later on tonight. Man, let's go hook up to my trailer right quick. Let's go do it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, last inspected 2/3/2025 in El Centro. Yes, sir. Got that trailer there. 667-920. And somebody left the seals on there. So, yeah. Got me some extra ones now. Ain't nothing wrong with having extras, you know? Ain't a damn thing wrong with having extras, guys. It's out here checking lights and everything. Of course, I'm gonna slide these tandems all the way to the front because this load only weighs like about 7,400 and something pounds. So it's a real light load going up there to Suwanee, up there to the Mitsubishi distribution up there. And tires are good on her. Everything is good. Check this side. Make sure everything is copacetic. Yes, sir. So when I take off tonight, ain't gonna be no worries. Just gonna have to do it to it. They can feel me? Yes, sir. Gotta make sure everything is in order. Stop over there in Eloy in the morning. And of course, get this girl cleaned up. She need a bath. She look dirty. She look dirty. She look dirty from being in rain and stuff. She look dirty, you know. But that's all right. That's all right. We're gonna get her cleaned up. And then I'm gonna have to take her to the shop on Monday over there in Las Cruces, take her over there to Borderland International, and have them check my drive line, my drive shaft, because I'm having some vibration out of it, and want to have them check that out. It's not a bad vibration, but it's vibrating, and I'm not with that. I don't like it, and it's only gonna get worse if I don't do anything about it. So I'm gonna take it over there, let them check it out. Might need to get a new U-joint or carrier bearing, something like that. So y'all comment down below, let me know what y'all think it might be. But by the time y'all see this video, it'll been taken care of already. But I'll definitely let y'all know what it was. Yeah, just out here to get it done, man. Gonna get it done. Finna go and park across the street, get up out of here. My paperwork was on the trailer already. That's my paperwork right there. It was on the trailer already. I don't know what's going on, but I gotta check out. I gotta go back through the gate on the way out, and they're supposed to give me paperwork. At least that's what I think. You know, that's what's gonna happen every time I came over here. But this is the first time I've ever seen my paperwork be on the nose of the trailer there. So, maybe a slip up, I don't know. It is what it is, but I'll check with them at the gate and see if they got my paperwork and go from there. I'm going across the street anyway. So I'll see y'all in the morning when I get over to Eloy. Yes, sir. What's up, guys? Hope everybody doing all right on this Saturday morning. Made it over here to the Blue Beacon over here in Eloy, and getting this girl cleaned up. She needed it bad. She was a little dirty there, and got the trailer washed too. Kirk. Both of them clean. So yeah, we're going to Georgia clean, no doubt about it. I'm gonna stop at the house and leave on Tuesday morning. So gonna do that. Get back to the house today, go live sometime today, but by the time y'all see this video, it would already happen. You can feel me? So yeah, out here getting it done, guys. Getting her cleaned up, getting her washed up, and I'll let y'all see her when she's done. I'll do a walk around when she all done, and then we'll get on down the road. I'll holler back at y'all in a little bit. Yes, sir. clean. She's real clean. She come out looking real good. Tire shining and everything. Yes, looking like a well-oiled machine. But I still got to go to the Borderland International tomorrow and have them check my drive shaft. The vibration ain't that much with this trailer, but it's still there, and shouldn't be no vibration. Should be a smooth ride. You dig or feel me? So definitely gonna get it checked out. Don't want no vibration going down the road. But she is looking good though. She is looking good. She looking spiffy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. She is clean. Back to glory. Back to glory. I appreciate that, bro. Man, y'all do a good job on her, man. Y'all make her look good. I appreciate it. Yes, sir. All right, man. Y'all too. God bless, bro. All righty. We'll holler back at y'all later. Chasers for life here. See that? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Coming down. Y'all know what it is. See, you can go to the merch shop. Get that paper chaser for life gear. Hey, what's up, guys? Got the truck dropped off over there at Borderland International over here in Las Cruces, and the service writer said that it could be the leveling valve in the back that is causing it to be vibrating like that. But they're gonna check it out, and they'll check it out later on today. I'm over here at my in-laws' house. In-laws have a beautiful home here, so just out here hanging out with my sister-in-law, my mother-in-law, me and the wife, and went and dropped the truck off this morning. So just gotta wait to hear from them later on today. Hopefully it's just a leveling valve and nothing more serious than that. Whenever you're getting your truck, if you got a SFI truck, whenever you're getting some work done to it, you call the SFI maintenance and have them email the place where you got it at to approve the work on it. Plus, you're approving the work on it by bringing it in, but SFI will send them an email, and it'll start off at $500. But I don't think the work that they're going to do on NOLA is going to be no $500. I don't think it's going to amount to that much, because all the videos I've watched over it said it's not expensive to do it, or it's not expensive to have it done, you know. And so that's what we're just hoping for. We're just hoping that it's the leveling valve, and then just go from there, you know. And hopefully that'll smooth it out and everything will be running right the way it's supposed to be. and no more vibrations, you know. So just take it from there, and I'll let you guys know once I go get it back, and we'll go from there, guys. But it's Monday. I know I said it was Saturday yesterday when I was getting the truck washed, but that was my bad. It was Sunday, and it's Monday now. I'm here at the house and supposed to be taking off in the morning, heading over to Suwannee with this load and get it over there for Friday. So just gonna be doing about 8 hours a day to get it over there, and get it over there and get it over with and move on to another one. I'm looking at the load board and it's kind of sucking right now, but hopefully it gets better this week so I can get something out of there and keep the wheels turning and earning. Y'all know what I mean? So I'll get back with you guys later and let y'all know what they found out at the Border International, and go from there, you know. Hope y'all are having a good day. Hope y'all being safe out there and enjoying some of this beautiful weather. We're having beautiful weather over here in the Southwest, so I hope it's beautiful where you guys are at, and just remember to be safe, guys. I'll let y'all later. Yes, sir. Oh, real fast, guys. I didn't go live yesterday because I got home with the family and spent some time with the double trouble with my little twin grandbabies and my daughter's 2 sons and stuff, and spent time with them. Plus I wasn't feeling good. I ate some KFC, some new stuff they have there at KFC, the Mike's honey spicy chicken, and it wasn't spicy at all. So don't try to go and get it from KFC. It wasn't spicy, and they saying that's the way it's coming and it's not spicy, and it turned out that it wasn't good, but and it made my stomach hurt. So that's why I didn't go live, because I was spending time with the family, plus I didn't feel good. So I'll go live this Sunday, and I'll be out there on the road. I'll go live this Sunday and won't have any distractions or be around any family or anything. So I'll go live this Sunday. Hope you guys understand. You know, when I'm with my family, I'm with my family, you know. And plus I wasn't feeling good. So just be safe out there, guys. I'll holler at y'all later. Yes, sir. Hey, what's up, guys? Still over here at the it's Tuesday. Still over here at the International, at the Borderland International over here in Las Cruces. About to get up out of here. They didn't check the truck out yesterday, and then today mechanic came out and slid under there and said it's a lot of play at the back of the transmission where the drive line starts connecting that, and the best thing for me to do is take it to Freightliner, and still should be under warranty for that. So I'm gonna get up out of here. It's not vibrating much. When I was coming from Cali day before yesterday, when I was coming out of Cali, it's not vibrating much. So hopefully I can make this load. Is light. It only weighs like 7,000 pounds. So I should be able to make it over to I don't want to go to the to the Freightliner in El Paso, because that's just gonna be a waste of time. So I'd rather take it back over to the Freightliner there in Odessa and have them take a look at it, because those guys were pretty quick and got on it pretty quick and fixed it pretty quick last time I was over there. I don't want to mess around with El Paso, because that's going to be a waste of time. So I'm going to get up out of here, get the rolling, and first I'm going to call my wife and see what she thinks, and then go from there. I got to drop this load off Friday morning over there in Georgia, in Suwannee. So I'm gonna give her a call right now and see what she thinks, and then go from there. But more than likely, I'm gonna wind up taking it to the one in Odessa, because the Freightliner in El Paso is just gonna be a waste of time, and I don't wanna waste time with those guys. So I'll get back with y'all later. Yes, sir. Good hump day morning, all my people. Good hump day morning. I made it over here to the Premier Group Freightliner over here in Odessa again. And yeah, I had some vibration yesterday, but now I got it at a good place to get it checked out, and just got checked in. There's another Landstar trailer right there, and got checked in and got to wait it out to see what it's gonna be. When you pull in, you'll stop at the gate there, and they'll come out and get you checked in, and then once you get checked in, you'll come back here toward the back and drop your trailer, and then bring them your keys. Go park your truck and bring them your keys and go and hang out in the driver's lounge. That's what me and little knucklehead here finna do. So gonna let them check it out. Hopefully they can solve the issue. Like I said, it might be the leveling valve back here, or it might be something with my drive shaft. I don't know, but hopefully they get it fixed, and hopefully it's under warranty, so won't have to come out of pocket or get any money out of my maintenance account for it. But either way, it's gonna get taken care of. I got a good feeling it'll get taken care of, so that's what it's here to do. So let me get all this done, and I'll get back with you guys after a while. Y'all be safe. Enjoy the hump day. Get to it. Let's get that money. Yes, sir. All right, guys, quick update. Still over here at the Freightliner over here in Odessa. That's Nola up there at the front of the building. He said the bolts are loose on the drive shaft there where it comes out of the transmission, and on another section of the drive shaft there, and trying to get with warranty and make sure that got to go through the red tape with warranty. But he says an easy fix. Thank God. You know, he just said that warranty likes to take their time, and then once warranty approves it, then once warranty approves it, then he said it's an easy fix, you know, and hopefully they have the bolts that it needs, the bolts that it needs in stock, you know. It's a Freightliner. Hopefully they do have them, you know. So that's just a little quick update on what's going on. I'm out here walking little knucklehead, letting her run around everywhere. Get over here. Let her run around a little bit. Stretch out her legs. Look at her. She wants to run around everywhere, guys. She crazy. But I'm glad that he said that it's an easy fix, and they just need to be replaced, you know. So we'll get that done, and said that'll smooth out your ride. It'll be riding like a Cadillac when he done with it. And his parents actually live in Silver City, New Mexico, because I told him where I live at. And it's like, oh man, my parents live in New Mexico. I have to come through there, Las Cruces, all the time when I go and visit my parents. So that was pretty cool to get a mechanic on your truck that, you know, is from your same area. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool right there. So at least I know I got the right guy on the job, and he's gonna make sure it's right. He said it's gonna be riding like a Cadillac when he's done with it. So that's a good deal right there. Couldn't be happier about that. But once it's all done, I'll check in with you guys, and we'll go from there, guys. Y'all know how I do it. Yes, sir. Hey, what's up, guys? Back up here at the Freightliner dealership here in Odessa. Had to spend the night in the hotel room, and he's saying that he replaced some bolts on the drive shaft there that were loose and stuff like that. So he replaced them, but it still has some free play there at the back of the transmission. He replaced the yoke, and he said it still has some free play back there. And getting in touch with Detroit Diesel, and they want him to take it on a road test. And y'all know how I feel about a road test. It needs to be under a load to have an accurate feel for a road test. Bobtailing ain't gonna really solve anything, but they want him to take it on a road test to see if it's still gonna vibrate, and so he's got to do that. And he said it might get released back to me for me to take off, even though it has that free play under there. And he said it is not supposed to have that, but he's saying that Detroit Diesel and Freightliner might want it to break all the way before they do anything else with it. So hopefully everything goes well. And he's just saying that it shouldn't have that free play in it. And gonna check it out and see what happens. So once I know something, I'll let y'all know something, and we'll keep going from there, guys. I already called the agent on the load and let her know what's going on and stuff like that. Always stay in touch with your agent. Let them know what's going on and keep them informed, because communication is key out here. And hopefully it gets fixed. I had to take a Uber over to the hotel, spend the night in the hotel, get some food, and now I'm back up here. And hopefully it gets fixed and I can get up out of here and get the rolling on to Suwannee. But I'll keep you guys posted. Y'all stay up, stay sharp, stay on your P's and Q's, and most importantly of all, stay safe. I'll holler back at y'all in a little bit. All right, guys, just real quick, still over here at the Freightliner. It's Friday, still over here at the Freightliner here in Odessa. About to get my truck released and get up out of here. Then I got to take it over to a tire shop and have them balance my my front, my stair axle wheels, have them balance them. They got a 100-point balancing machine that they're gonna put them on and balance them for $35 a piece. So that's not bad. $70 to get both of my wheels balanced on the stair axle. They can't do it here, but everything is good with the drive line and everything, the drive shaft and everything now. So just waiting on them to release the truck, and then I could take it over to Forest Brothers here in Odessa, over on JBS Parkway. I used to work out here in the oil field, so I know pretty much a lot of places here in Odessa and Midland area and stuff like that. But take it over there, let them balance it, and then should be good to go. Everything should be good to go. Shouldn't have no more vibrations and stuff like that. So I'll check in with y'all when I get over there, and we'll go from there. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Y'all know the deal. Happy Friday, happy Friday. Hope the paycheck was everything you wanted it to be. It's a beautiful day. No complaints. Yes, sir. All right, guys, took it over there to the Forest Brothers tires over there, and got everything straightened out. Put it on the wheel balancers and put some weights on it instead of those beads on the inside of the tires. When I had them changed at the TA last time back in December, they didn't have the beads to put inside the tires, so they didn't do that. So I get over here, they ask me do they have the beads on the inside, because if they do, then we're gonna have to pull the tire off the rim, clean the beads out before we could put weights on them. And I said, no, it don't have the beads. They put it on the balancing machine and it showed them where the weights needed to go in green, lit up green, good to go. The steering is fine now. The drive axle, the drive shaft is fine now. Everything is good. And it's a lot of traffic out here. Either somebody had a wreck here on I-20 going east, or I don't know, construction or something, I don't know, but nobody's saying anything on the radio. So I don't know, but gonna ride it out and drop this load off on Monday over in Suwannee, Georgia. Gonna go live Sunday, so I'll go live before you guys see this video. So let's have a good live on this Sunday. Appreciate y'all for hanging in there with your boy, and I'll get back with y'all later, let y'all know where I stopped at for the night, and then we'll go from there. Just have to drop this load off on Monday and keep it moving. You can feel me? So I'll holler at y'all later. Yes, sir. Good Saturday morning, all my people. Good Saturday morning. Hope everybody doing all right. Made it over here to the TA over here in Terrell, Texas. Exit 503, no matter if you're going east or if you're going west. Just being conservative with my hours. And since I can't drop off till Monday, just being conservative. Fuel over here is $3.56 cash and $3.62 credit. Over here at the TA, they got a Subway in there, they got a Pizza Hut, and I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. Try not to do too much talking because I done talked enough, but Nola's running fine, smooth now. No vibration, no shaking all over the damn place. That's why they call them freight shakers, you know. But get up out of here, stop over in West Monroe, Louisiana, take me a shower, and then get on down the road a little bit more before I shut it down today. Call it a day over there by Jackson, Mississippi, over there in Pearl, and go from there. Then tomorrow finish it off and get as close as I can and be there for 9 o'clock on Monday morning, you know. So that's the plan. That's what it is. Gonna make it happen. I'll holler back at y'all later. Y'all be safe. Yes, sir. Good Monday morning, good Monday morning, good Monday morning, all my people. Yes, sir, yes, sir. I made it over here to the Mitsubishi over here in Suwanee, Georgia. About to drop this trailer. Waiting for these other two Landstar drivers to back in. I don't know why they trying to back in and they doors ain't open. Doesn't make sense to me. But, you know, let them do what they gonna do. Hope everybody out there doing all right. Hope y'all enjoyed your weekend. If you was on the live last night with me, I appreciate you being there and leaving comments and stuff. Make sure you guys leave comments and stuff when you join the live so I can shout you out during the live, you know. It's a good time, it's good vibes and stuff like that, you know. It's all about having a good time and being able to talk about things and have a good laugh and stuff like that too. You dig a feel me? So, yeah, just out here waiting for these guys to back in so I can set myself up to get these doors open, get this paperwork signed, and get this trailer dropped off. Finally, you know, finally dropping it off, you know. But it is what it is. It's been a long week, and ready to get this week over with and start the new week today. Should have been starting it on Friday, but it's all good. We don't cry over spilt milk over here. We just keep it moving. We keep it grooving. You dig a feel me? But that's going to do it for the video. It's a long video. I apologize for that, but been going through some things with the drive shaft and the truck, you know. But it's all good. It's all good. It's for the best, you know. So waiting to get these locks cut off these doors, get these doors open, back this trailer in, and then we'll be moving on and going from there. So I appreciate all you guys. I'm gonna say love, peace, and hair grease. Love all of y'all. Thank y'all for the support. Remember to give the videos a thumbs up, comment, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff for your boy. We're gonna be out, and I'll see y'all on the next episode. Y'all know what it is, man. Paper chasers for life. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Chasers for life here. Y'all see that? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Coming down. Y'all know what it is. See if you go to the merch shop, get that paper chaser for life gear.
G-DAWG.